Hi guys, we're going to make a super easy Valentine's garland. I decorated my dining room with this last year and I really like how it turned out, and I thought I would do it again and show you guys how to do it. And you're going to start off with some Valentine's cards, and I got these at the Dollar Tree. Some of these I actually had last year. They were hanging in my dining room last year, but I got some new ones. And they have some that are 2 for $1, so that's a really good deal. I'll be using red yarn to hang this on, and you could also use some twine, that would work too. I decided where I was going to hang my yarn, and then I measured it so I know what length to cut my yarn. And you want to cut it a little bit longer than the space you're going to use. I went ahead and I tacked it up on one end, and you tack it up on the other end, but I used a plant hook because it was right where I needed it. So after you have the card hung up, you're going to close clip the card to the yarn, and I just have this one down here at the table to show you how I did it. So it's just going to go right over the top of the card. I begin hanging them up, and you just want to space them as far apart as you like. And you could hang it another way. You could just fold the card over the yarn and it would hang out this way. Now if you do it this way, you're going to want to make sure that your yarn is tight. When you're hanging it up by the closed clips, it doesn't have to be so tight. It can be a little bit sagging and loose. It'll stay on there. So there's the garland strand. This is super easy to make and it's very low cost. And I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And thank you guys for watching.